Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to this daily market analysis of XAUUSD, EURUSD. And from today onwards, we are also starting the Bitcoin analysis. Okay. So for Bitcoin, what I have done, I have applied this fixed range market profile. Okay. And the range is from here onwards to here. Okay. Because we have this big area of consolidation over here. Okay. So that is why I have applied this range. Okay. Now, if you see, that we are getting this thick area and this one thick area. Okay, so if the market falls down, we are going to get a proper support in this area and lots of consolidation. So mind these levels. So that is point number one. Now coming back to the area where the action is actually happening. Okay, so if you see, guys, this one was one area. Okay, and this is another area. Maybe over the period of the time we get a proper D shape and this complete area of consolidation. Right now, if you see, even from the perspective of the price action, so this is constantly giving a kind of resistance, and then this area is constantly giving a kind of support. Now if you analyze it over here, so if you see, this candle has formed with a proper bigger delta. Can you see this? The delta value, it's 28.26 million. Okay. But then after that, what is happening, guys? Here, if you see this candle, negative 8.77 million, but it has given support. So this candle has actually provided some kind of absorption. But at the same time, if you see, this candle has given a lot of absorption from the upper side. Okay. So this is 9.86 million and the market has reversed back. It is 8.77 million, the market has gone up. So now what I can see is there is some kind of activity happening, from limit buyer and limit seller. So that is why these two levels. Okay. So if I adjust it a little bit, so okay, so let it be adjusted a little bit. So let me unlock this and let me adjust this line to these levels. Okay, and then log this. So we can see that this area, okay, we can see some kind of consolidation inside this area. Okay, we can definitely verify it from the delta values. Okay, so once market breaks this, then we can take trade up to here. Okay, so make sure that it breaks with proper negative delta, enters into here, wait for a pullback to these levels, and then you can enter a trade to the downside. Okay, otherwise market may consolidate inside this value area, or if it breaks out, then we can take trade on the upper side. So this was the Bitcoin analysis. Now guys, coming to XAUUSD. Okay, so we have been looking that this was a strong support. We have been doing this analysis since last so many days. We have seen that how this market has taken a consolidation, it has given, and then again it has gone up. Now while coming down, it is uh, testing our levels from dot to dot. Okay, it has tested, came down, then again gone up to these levels, again came down, and now actually this level I have created a new one. Why this level was not there before? Okay, so these were our levels before. So market has respected these levels, then came down, took support here, again gone a little up. Now it has came down here and took support from here, again gone up. So why it took support from here? So let me apply this fixed range market profile again, guys. If you see, okay, so if you see that this is a kind of new value area forming. Okay, and that is why I have given it kind of new support. Okay, so I'll just lock it and I'll save it. Okay, so this is the new level, okay, which is giving support. You can definitely see it from. Okay, and now coming back to these levels, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to delete these levels, because these levels were formed from these value areas. But right now we can see that the market is actually creating new value areas. Okay, so I'm going to delete them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to again apply this fixed range market profile. Okay. And now if you see, so we are getting some new value areas. So what are those areas? So first area is like this. Okay. And second is, you can see here and here. Okay. So these are some new value areas we are forming. And then again, there is one more value area. Okay. So one value area, second value area. This is the area of fast movement. And then again, this value area. Okay. So right now we can see that the market is actually coming down and we can expect a move up to here. Okay. And once market, enters here, then we can again take the trade up to here. Okay. And then we have this value area as well. This will be the reason of fast movement. Okay, so from here to here it will be a choppy movement, but from here to here it will be a fast one because there is no value here. Okay, you can see that there was a fast movement before also. Okay, but once market enters here, then we can expect again choppy movement from here to here. Okay, so let us see how market reacts. So again, we have to take the help of delta, as I have been telling you guys that we have to take the help of delta, VWAP, and all those things. Okay, I'll just again revise those things. And then coming back to euro USD chart. So guys, if you just watch our previous video, we have been kept on telling that this is the value area and the market can actually come down from here to here. And now you see how beautifully there was a breakdown. You see breakdown with much bigger delta candles. Okay, and then again here there was a breakdown, you can see. So this breakdown was not with big candles, but this breakdown, okay, we had some good negative delta candles, then some pullback, and then now exactly traveled to the levels we had drawn. Okay, so these were the levels we had drawn from the long time. If you see guys, okay, you can verify it from our previous videos. Okay, so these are the level and took support exactly from there, and then again coming up, small pullback, and then again coming down. So we can expect again the market to come to these levels, and then we'll see how market is reacting to these levels. Okay, so this is how our Euro USD, XAUUSD, and Bitcoin analysis is for. So I hope these levels are actually helping you guys. Okay. So again, if I give you a kind of revision, so basically when the market enters into a value area, we keep on taking the reversal trade inside the value area. Outside the value area, the movement is actually very strong. Okay. Then we keep on taking trade based on the pullback so that we minimize our risk. Remember guys, nobody is 100% sure in the market. There is absolutely no study which will give you 100% surety, but yes, you can get a very fair confirmation if you're using these tools. Your risk is reduced, and you can enter the market when market is in trending. Okay, so these are some rules you have to keep in mind. So if you say I can actually again bring this PDF with you guys. Okay, so just give me 1 second. Yes, so this is the PDF I'm going to share with you. Let us revise these rules again. Okay, so if you see, so auction market theory says when the market is inside a value area, it keeps on traveling from value area high to low and then low to high. However, if market breaks down or breaks out, then we take the trades in the same direction based on the pullback. Now, what is VWAP theory? So basically, market profile tells you about the value area from the previous day, but market can today again make new values. Okay, so we can track the today's value with the help of VWAP. So now, if the VWAP is flat, it means that the market is inside the previous value, and we can keep on taking the reversal trade. However, if the VWAP is in trending, then it means that the market is actually creating new values. So we can keep on taking trade in the same direction based on these kind of smaller pullback. Okay, then how to trades? Create the previous day market profile, volume profile, then understand the current developing value with the help of VWAP, and then take the help of delta indicator. Go with the strength of the delta and prefer to trade based on the pullback. So I hope these levels will help you to trade on these three instruments. Thank you guys.